Welcome back everyone, to another exciting module in our series on business process management and BPMN. Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of enhancing our business processes to drive efficiency and reduce waste. So, sit back, and let's embark on this journey together. In Module 3, we'll explore various aspects of process analysis and improvement. From understanding the fundamentals to implementing advanced methodologies, we'll cover it all. So, let's kick things off with a brief introduction to what process analysis entails. Before we delve into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what we'll be covering in today's module. Let's kick things off with a friendly introduction to process analysis, where we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of how things work behind the scenes in our organization. After that, we'll take a stroll through some process analysis techniques, kind of like picking up different tools from our toolbox to help us understand and improve our workflows. Then, we'll chat about identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Picture it as solving a puzzle to find those spots where things get stuck or where we're not as efficient as we could be. Next up, we'll explore continuous improvement methodologies. Think of it as a treasure hunt for ways to make things better, whether it's through Lean, Six Sigma, or the Kaizen philosophy, each offering its own special sauce for improvement. And finally, we'll wrap things up by talking about process optimization and redesign, where we'll roll up our sleeves and brainstorm ways to make our processes smoother, faster, and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Process analysis serves as the bedrock upon which organizational efficiency is built. It entails a comprehensive examination of all aspects of our business processes, from inception to completion, with a keen focus on identifying opportunities for enhancement. This critical scrutiny enables us to uncover inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas of waste that may be impeding our progress towards operational excellence. Delving deeper into process analysis involves breaking down each process into its constituent steps and meticulously analyzing the flow of activities. This granular approach allows us to pinpoint specific pain points where delays occur, resources are underutilized, or tasks are needlessly duplicated. By shining a spotlight on these areas, we can devise targeted interventions aimed at streamlining workflows, optimizing resource allocation, and enhancing overall efficiency. Moreover, process analysis enables us to identify redundancies and inefficiencies that may have crept into our workflows over time. These could be legacy processes that no longer serve their intended purpose, outdated systems that hinder productivity, or manual tasks that could be automated for greater efficiency. By rooting out these inefficiencies, we can liberate valuable resources, both in terms of time and money, that can be reallocated towards more productive endeavors. Furthermore, process analysis is not a one-time exercise, but rather an ongoing endeavor. As organizations evolve and external factors change, so too do our processes need to adapt. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential to ensure that our workflows remain aligned with organizational goals and industry best practices. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, we can foster innovation and agility, enabling us to stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving business landscape. In essence, process analysis serves as a compass guiding us towards organizational efficiency and excellence. By scrutinizing our processes, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing targeted interventions, we can unlock untapped potential, drive sustainable growth, and ultimately achieve our strategic objectives. Now that we understand the importance of process analysis, let's delve into some common techniques used in the field. First up, we have process mapping. This technique involves creating visual representations of our workflows, allowing us to gain a comprehensive understanding of how tasks flow from one step to the next. By mapping out our processes, we can identify bottlenecks, streamline operations, and enhance communication across teams. Next, we have value stream mapping, VSM. This technique focuses on analyzing the value streams within our organization to identify waste and inefficiencies. By mapping out the flow of value from raw materials to the end customer, we can pinpoint areas for improvement and streamline our processes to deliver greater value with minimal waste. And finally, we have flow charts. These diagrammatic representations of processes use symbols and arrows to illustrate the flow of tasks and decision points. Flowcharts provide a clear visual representation of our processes, making it easier to identify areas for improvement and optimize workflows. Identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies within an organization is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and maximizing productivity. One way to identify bottlenecks is by closely monitoring the flow of tasks and processes, looking for areas where work tends to pile up or where there are frequent delays. This could be through analyzing data on process times, observing workflow patterns, or gathering feedback from team members about where they encounter the most obstacles. In addition to monitoring the flow of work, it's essential to examine the resources being utilized at each stage of the process. This includes assessing whether resources are being allocated efficiently and whether there are any unnecessary or redundant steps that could be eliminated. Conducting process audits and value stream mapping exercises can help uncover these inefficiencies and pinpoint areas for improvement. Furthermore, technology can play a significant role in identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Implementing tools such as workflow management systems, project management software, and data analytics platforms can provide valuable insights into where processes are breaking down or where resources are being underutilized. These technologies can also automate routine tasks, streamline communication, and facilitate better collaboration among team members, thereby reducing the likelihood of bottlenecks occurring. Regular performance reviews and continuous improvement initiatives are also essential for identifying and addressing bottlenecks and inefficiencies. By regularly evaluating processes, gathering feedback from stakeholders, and implementing changes based on lessons learned, organizations can adapt to evolving challenges and ensure that they remain efficient and competitive in their respective industries. First, we have Lean methodology. At its core, Lean methodology embodies a relentless pursuit of efficiency and waste reduction. It advocates for the elimination of all forms of waste, be it excess inventory, unnecessary waiting times, or overproduction. This approach emphasizes creating value for customers while minimizing resources expended. Through the adoption of Lean principles such as 5S, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, Kanban, visualizing workflow to limit work in progress, and Poka-yoke, error-proofing techniques, organizations can systematically streamline their processes. By optimizing workflow and resource allocation, organizations can not only reduce costs but also enhance customer satisfaction by delivering products and services more swiftly and with higher quality. Next, we have Six Sigma. Unlike Lean, which primarily targets waste reduction, Six Sigma focuses on minimizing variation and defects in processes to ensure consistent, high-quality outcomes. Rooted in statistical analysis and data-driven decision-making, Six Sigma employs the DMAIC framework, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, as its guiding methodology. This structured approach enables organizations to identify areas of improvement, measure performance metrics, analyze root causes of problems, implement targeted solutions, and establish controls to sustain improvements over time. By embracing Six Sigma principles, organizations can achieve operational excellence, enhance customer loyalty, and drive profitability through continuous quality improvement. And finally, we have the Kaizen philosophy. It is derived from the Japanese word for change for the better. Kaizen embodies the notion of continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. Unlike Lean and Six Sigma, which often involve structured methodologies and projects, Kaizen emphasizes a more organic and grassroots approach to improvement. It encourages involvement from employees at all levels of the organization, fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning. Through regular brainstorming sessions, problem-solving workshops, and idea-sharing forums, organizations can harness the collective wisdom of their workforce to identify opportunities for improvement and implement changes swiftly. By embracing the Kaizen philosophy, organizations can cultivate a culture of continuous improvement, adaptability, and resilience, enabling them to thrive in an ever-changing business environment. Process optimization and redesign are crucial components of any effort to improve organizational efficiency. Process optimization involves fine-tuning existing processes to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. By analyzing our workflows, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing targeted improvements, we can optimize our processes to deliver greater value with fewer resources. Process redesign, on the other hand, involves fundamentally reimagining our workflows to better align with our organizational goals and objectives. Whether it's adopting new technologies, reallocating resources, or redesigning entire processes from scratch, process redesign allows us to adapt to changing business needs and stay ahead of the competition. Continuous evaluation and adaptation are key principles here, as they ensure that we're constantly monitoring our processes, identifying areas for improvement, and adapting to changes in the market and technology landscape. As we conclude this module, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Process analysis is the foundation of any effort to improve organizational efficiency, and it involves examining our workflows to identify areas for enhancement. By leveraging techniques such as process mapping, value stream mapping, and flowcharts, we can gain insights into our processes and identify opportunities for improvement. Identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies is essential for streamlining our operations and maximizing efficiency. Continuous improvement methodologies such as Lean, Six Sigma, and Kaizen provide frameworks for driving ongoing improvement and innovation within our organizations. Process optimization and redesign allow us to adapt to changing business needs and stay ahead of the competition. Ultimately, embracing a culture of continuous improvement enables organizations to achieve excellence in their operations and deliver greater value to their customers. Your thoughts, opinions, and ideas matter to us, and we're eager to engage with our audience. If you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Share your insights, questions, or feedback right here. Your comments not only help us understand what you're interested in but also contribute to building a vibrant community. Alternatively, if you prefer a more private conversation or have something lengthy to discuss, feel free to reach out to us via email. You can find our contact information in the description box or on our website. We're always eager to hear from our audience, and we'll make sure to respond to your emails promptly. Thank you all for being a part of Consultant Bot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.